guys, it's Lydia here, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you hairstyles for beginners. I did a video like this at the beginning of my channel, but that was a long time ago and I feel like I need to make another one because I do a lot of hairstyles with French and Dutch braiding and just a lot of more advanced things which aren't hard necessarily, but especially when you're first learning how to do hair, it can be kind of hard. So I wanted to take it back and just do 7 really simple hairstyles that are really cute and can be done easily for beginners, or they're also just really easy to do. So even if you're not necessarily a beginner, these are great hairstyles for on the go when you need a quick and easy hairstyle. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's dive in. Start with sections of hair on either side of your hairline, like so, and then just twist them to the back and secure them with an elastic. And then I'm going to go in and pull apart, twist. So then take sections from kind of right above your ear on either side, and then just do the same thing. So twist them back slightly and secure them with an elastic. And finally, I'm going to take all the hair from in front of my ear, maybe not all the hair, but like a good size amount, medium size section, and pull that to the back. So then just pull everything into a low ponytail, and the last step is we're going to wrap a piece of hair around this elastic. And that is it for this hairstyle. It is a little more work, but it is really pretty and it doesn't take that long to do once you get the hang of it. And I think it's a perfect beginner's hairstyle because there's no braiding, it's just twists and ponytails. Also something that could work for like a formal occasion. I don't know, even prom. Is prom coming up? Is it coming up? Did it already happen? No, I think prom's coming up. See, I'm homeschooled, so I don't go to prom, so I don't know. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, we're gonna do a pull-through braid. So what you're gonna do, you're going to start out by securing all your hair with an elastic. And then I'm going to wrap a piece of hair around this first elastic. You could either leave it as is, you could wrap some hair around it, or you could even just add a scrunchie around it. And then we're just going to do a pull-through braid. You're going to start by securing your hair with an elastic like a few inches down from the first one. Then split that hair in 2 and pull the bottom section through. It's really simple. And then just pull apart the braid by tugging on the ends and repeat with your new section on top. And to make this easier, when you're first starting, you could do it in a side braid just so you can see what's going on. That is it. It might take you a little while to get it, but once you do, it's super easy. It's really easy to learn too, so just try it out. It's really easy and really cute looking. This next hairstyle is going to be a half updo. What you're going to do is go kind of just pick up as much hair as you want in your half updo, like so. And you can loosen out the front, make it look the way you want it, and we're going to secure this hair with an elastic. And of course I'm going to wrap some hair around it, but like I said before, if you don't want to, you don't have to. I don't have clear elastics right now, I only have these colored ones, so that's the main reason why I'm wrapping hair around everything. And then with the hair in your ponytail, just make a 3-strand regular braid pretty much to the end of your hair. So I have probably like 3 inches left, and I'm going to stop and secure it with another elastic. And then pull apart this braid a ton to make it nice and big and fluffy and just kind of messy. And then I am going to wrap a piece of hair around the elastic at the bottom. And that is it. It's super cute and super easy. For Thursday's hairstyle, you're going to start by putting your hair into a high ponytail. And then for this top knot, all you're going to do is take your hair and we're going to do a little bit of back combing. This is to add volume and to make the bun stay in place better. So just take your hair and use a brush and just kind of back comb. Pretty simple. And then once you feel like you have enough fluff, you can smooth down just the outside, so like just barely brush over the top, don't undo any of the teasing. And then just like barely twist your hair and wrap it into a bun. And then the last step is just to add a scrunchie on the top. This is optional, but I do love the little style it gives. And that is it for this hairstyle. It's very simple, but really put together and really cute. And it's going to last all day long, and this would be a great workout hairstyle, go to the gym, wear the rest of the day. So I'd really recommend you trying this one out. Okay, so for hairstyle number 5, we're going to do a really cute half updo. So you're going to start by taking 2 sections from either side of your part and just bringing them to the back. And then just secure it here with an elastic. And then once you've secured your hair with the elastic, just flip the ponytail a couple of times to make a twist. And then once you've got your twist, make sure to pull it apart and make it a little more fluffy. And if you'd like to know some tips on how to pull apart twists, I have a whole video on that, which I will link in the iCard and below. And then take another section from the front on both sides. I'm doing this one kind of right in front of my ear. And then just do a regular braid with that towards the back of your head. So then once you've gotten to the point where it can reach towards the back, just temporarily secure your place. I'm just using a snap clip. And then fluff out the braid. And to do this, just pull on either side of the braid. Just kind of make it a little more lived in, loose, and imperfect. I kind of like this look because it just makes it more kind of boho and whimsical and matches the twist. Plus it makes it easier to see. And then just repeat that on the other side. And when you're braiding, it's actually okay to braid a little bit looser because when I pull apart the braids, I want them to be just a little more messy and a little bit looser. So if you braid loose from the beginning, it actually makes it look better, so it's easier. So then just take both braids to the back and secure them with an elastic right underneath the first ponytail, right underneath the twist. That's what I was trying to say. And that is it for this hairstyle. I love a pretty braided half updo, and this one's super easy to do, but still has that pretty boho festival vibe. Alright, so this next hairstyle is like the easiest thing you have ever done, ever, on your hair. So what you're going to do is just go, you can either go from your ears, you can go from your temples. For this one I'm going to go kind of around my temples and just pick up all the hair and you're going to put it into a half up pony. And I did a similar hairstyle to this in my sleek hairstyles video, so if you want some more really easy hairstyles, you can check out that video because most of them are very beginner friendly hairstyles. So then once you've got all your hair to where you want it, just secure it with an elastic. And then I'm going to wrap some hair around the ponytail. Now that's optional, you can either leave it as is, you can add a scrunchie, or you can wrap around some hair like I'm gonna do. So to do a hair wrap on your elastic, there are two easy ways you can do it. Number one, you can get a tool like this, which is called like a topsy tail tool or hair beater. I will link these below. I got a big pack for really inexpensive and I really love these. Or you can use like just a basic bobby pin and pin the wrap in place. So what you're gonna do is go from the back of your hair elastic and stick the topsy tail into your elastic going down towards your head. So then once you've gotten it pulled through so that the hole is out, just take another small section of hair and wrap it around your elastic. And then take your hair and put it into the hair beater, into the hole, and then just pull your hair through. Sometimes it goes a lot smoother, other times it does not. That was a non-smooth time. But that is it for the hairstyle. Okay, so for the last hairstyle, we're just going to do a really easy ponytail. So what you're going to start out by doing for this ponytail is taking a section of hair at the crown of your head. This doesn't have to be a huge section, just kind of a medium-sized one. And then split it into 3 and just do a regular braid all the way down. And then once you get to the end, just secure it with an elastic. I'm just going to pull the braid apart. And then all is left to do is just secure all your hair with a scrunchie at the nape of your neck. You could also do this with an elastic, but I love scrunchies. And there you go. I love how simple and easy this is, but it's still super cute. I hope you enjoyed that video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe in this corner and check out my other fitness channel in this corner where I post workouts every single Saturday. Don't forget to click up here to watch my most recent video, and don't forget to comment below about which one of these hairstyles was your favorite and what video would you like me to do next. Alright guys, bye. Time to shout, shout, let it all